Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Okay, today we are going to learn action words. What we are going to learn today? Action words. Action words are very useful to you to speak in English. Are you ready to learn some words? Let's go to the video. The first word we are going to see is lift. L-I-F-T, lift. He is lifting. He is lifting. E-A-T, eat. E-A-T, eat. He is eating. He is eating. H-I-T, hit. H-I-T, hit. He is hitting. He is hitting. L-O-C-K, lock. L-O-C-K, lock. He is locking the door. He is locking the door. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. He is hopping. He is hopping. L-O-O-K, look. L-O-O-K, look. He is looking. He is looking. M-I-X, mix. M-I-X, mix. He is mixing. He is mixing both the colors. Okay. He is mixing. J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. He is jumping. He is jumping. F-L-Y, fly. F-L-Y, fly. He is flying. He is flying in the sky. Okay, he is flying. F-O-L-D, fold. F-O-L-D, fold. He is folding the mat or folding the paper. He is folding. F-L-O-A-T, float. F-L-O-A-T, float. He is floating on the water. He is floating on the water. K-I-C-K, kick. K-I-C-K, kick. He is kicking the ball. He is kicking the ball. F-O-L-L-O-W, follow. He is following. He is following. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. He is drinking. He is drinking. G-O, go. G-O, go. Now the green signal is there, so he is going. He is going. D-R-I-V-E, drive. D-R-I-V-E, drive. He is driving. He is driving. M-A-R-C-H, march. They are marching. They are marching. J-U-G-G-L-E, juggle. Juggle means the joker is juggling the ball. Okay, he is juggling. L-E-A-D, lead. L-E-A-D, lead. He is leading because he is the team member. So, team leader. He is leading all the others. K-N-O-C-K, knock. K-N-O-C-K, knock. He is knocking the door. He is knocking the door. G-I-V-E, give. G-I-V-E, give. He is giving gift to his friends. He is giving gifts to his friends. He is giving. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. He is laughing. He is laughing. S-W-I-M, swim. S-W-I-M, swim. He is swimming. He is swimming. W-A-L-K, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. He is walking. He is walking. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. O-P-E-N. Open. O-P-E-N. Open. He is opening the box. He is opening the box. S-K-I-P. Skip. S-K-I-P. Skip. He is skipping. He is skipping. S-K-A-T-E. Skate. S-K-A-T-E. Skate. He is skating. He is skating. S-W-E-E-P. Sweep. S-W-E-E-P. Sweep. He is sweeping. He is sweeping. M-O-P. Mop. M-O-P. Mop. He is mopping. He is mopping the floor. He is mopping. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. He is sliding. He is sliding. T-U-R-N. Turn. T-U-R-N. Turn. He is turned right. To cross the road. He is turning. W-A-S-H. Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. He is washing the vessels. He is washing the vessels. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. He is swinging. He is swinging. T-A-L-K. Talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. He is talking. He is talking. W-O-R-K. Work. W-O-R-K. Work. He is working. He is working. S-P-I-N. Spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. He is spinning the ball. He is spinning the ball. T-A-K-E. Take. T-A-K-E. Take. He is taking the fruits. He is taking the fruits. T-I-E. Tie. T-I-E. Tie. He is tying the lace. He is tying the shoelace. W-I-P-E. Wipe. W-I-P-E. Wipe. He is wiping. He is wiping. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. They are standing. They are standing. W-A-V-E. Wave. W-A-V-E. Wave. They are waving the hands. They are waving the hands. S-T-O-P. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. He says stop. Okay, he is saying stop. T-H-R-O-W. Throw. T-H-R-O-W. Throw. He is throwing the ball. He is throwing the ball. W-R-I-T-E. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. He is writing. He is writing. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze. He is sneezing. He is sneezing. T-E-L-L. Tell. T-E-L-L. Tell. He is telling something to his friends. He is telling. Y-A-W-N. Yawn. Y-A-W-N. Yawn. He is yawning. He is yawning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Did you all learn
Today we are going to learn the names of some fruits which we eat in our daily life. Fruits are very healthy to our life. Fruits keep our body strong. Shall we learn the names of fruits? Yes. Start. Apple. This is an apple. An apple is red in color. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Next, mango. This is a mango. Mango is yellow in color. It tastes very sweet. Orange. This is an orange. Orange is orange in color. This is a juicy fruit. Next, banana. This is a banana. Banana is yellow in color. It keeps our body fit. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Pomegranate is red in color with small seeds. Next is the grapes. Grapes is green and purple in color. Grapes is green and purple in color. It tastes sweet and sour. Next is an papaya. This is a papaya. Papaya is orange in color. Papaya has many small seeds inside. Next is an watermelon. Watermelon is big in size. Watermelon is big in size. It's green outer and red inside. Next is an pineapple. This is a pineapple. Pineapple tastes sweet and also sour. This is an cherries. Cherries are very small in size and has a big seed inside it. Guava. This is a guava. Guava is green in color. Guava has very good healthy nutrients. So we should have guava every day to keep our body healthy and strong. Okay children, now we have learned some names of fruits which we eat in our daily life. Okay, shall we have a small recap of all these fruits? Yes. Start. Apple. This is an apple. Mango. This is a mango. Orange. This is an orange. Banana. This is a banana. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Grapes. These are grapes. Papaya. This is a papaya. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Cherries. These are cherries. Guava. This is a guava. Yes, children. Very good. You have done a good job. Yes, you should keep on watching this video to keep the names of fruits in your memory. Okay, children. Bye.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn sense organs. What are sense organs? Sense organs help us to know the world around us. We have 5 sense organs. What are they? They are ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. Okay children, first we see ears. These are ears. We listen with ears. Our ears help us to listen. Next we see eyes. These are eyes. We see things with our eyes. Our eyes. This is a nose. We smell with our nose. Our nose helps us to smell. This is a tongue. We taste food with our tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste. This is a skin. We feel things with our skin. Our skin helps us to feel things. To learn sense organs. What are sense organs? Sense organs help us to know the world around us. We have 5 sense organs. What are they? They are ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. Okay children, first we see ears. These are ears. We listen with ears. Our ears help us to listen. Next we see eyes. These are eyes. We see things with our eyes. Our eyes. This is a nose. We smell with our nose. Our nose helps us to smell. This is a tongue. We taste food with our tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste. This is a skin. We feel things with our skin. Our skin helps us to feel things.